Hello students. Today's topic is exceptional configurations. You know, electronic configuration is a distribution of electrons in different orbitals of an atom, and these are governed by rules like Ava principle and Hund's rule. Ava principle says that these are filled in increasing order of energy, and Hund's rule says that uh, pairing of electrons takes place only when all the degenerate or the orbitals of equal energy have got one electron each. But there are certain electronic configurations we do not seem to obey ABA principle. For example, we have chromium. Its atomic number is 24. The configuration according to ABA principle is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d4. First the electrons go to 3s, 4s before 3d because the n plus l rule for 4s is this is 4 plus 0, it is 4, and for this it is 3 plus 2, it is 5. Okay, so the 4s orbital has lower energy and is filled first, and then the electrons go to 3d. This is so the expected configuration. Okay, but the actual configuration which we infer from its properties is 4s1 and 3d5. Here 4s has only one electron and 3d has 5 electrons. Similarly, if we take the case of copper, its atomic number is 30. The expected configuration is first 4s is filled to 4s2, and then we are left with 9 electrons which go to 3d. But the actual configuration as we infer from its properties is that it 4s has 1 electron and 3d has 10 electrons. So these are the unexpected or exceptional configurations of these atoms and many other elements also. So what is the reason for this? This has been attributed to the fact that configurations in which orbitals of the same shell are exactly half-filled or completely filled have lower energy and have extra stability. What do I say? When the orbitals of the same shell are exactly half filled or are complete filled, means for example we have 3d, it is completely filled. Complete filled means each has 2 electrons, or it is half filled, each has 1 electron. That has a lower energy and has extra stability. Then this configuration, if some are empty, some have 2 electrons, some have 1 electrons. So these configurations where we have exactly filled and exactly half filled atom orbitals are stable, and therefore the configuration follows this rule. This is called stability of completely filled and exactly half filled atomic orbitals, is this rule. Okay, so let us take the case of chromium. We have chromium, the expected configuration is like this. We have 3d4, 4s2 and 3d4. Okay, you see that here uh, we have this is completely filled, and this is neither completely filled neither half filled. But this exact configuration, which actual configuration is, this electron shifts here, so that we have 4s subshell, its orbital is exactly half filled, and 3d, all orbitals of 3d are exactly half filled. So we have two stability conditions, exactly half filled and exactly half filled. Here we have completely filled. This is neither completely filled nor exactly half filled. So this is the configuration which is extra stable, which has lower energy. Similar is the case with this. With the expected configuration is 4s2 and 3d9. What happens? This electron shifts here, so we have 3d10 and 4s1. In this case, this is exactly half filled, and these all orbitals are exactly filled, and this is the extra stable condition. Okay. Now what are the reasons for this? We say that this has extra stability. Why is this configuration of completely filled and exactly half filled more stable than other configurations? Two reasons have been given. One is symmetry of orbitals. We see that when we have exactly half filled or exactly completely half filled orbital, they have a symmetry. For example, let us see this case. This is unsymmetrical here. This is unsymmetrical. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is empty, and this becomes unsymmetrical. But when this electron comes here, this becomes a symmetrical configuration. So this is one reason that symmetrical configurations are stable and have lower energy. Similar is the case with this. This is, you can see, this is unsymmetrical. We have this 1 electron, here we have 2 electrons. What is symmetry? Symmetry is the both sides are across a median line are similar. Here we say they are dissimilar. Okay, so but now in this case this is symmetrical configuration. Okay, So this extra stability is attributed to the symmetry of atomic orbitals. The second is exchange energy. It has been said that electrons present in various orbitals of the same shell exchange their position. These electrons change their position. This goes there and this comes here. This may go there and this may come here. So they continuously change their position, and in this exchange of positions, they lose some energy. They utilize some energy, which leads to the lowering of the energy of the system. So in this case, then more the number of exchanges, more will be the energy lost and more will be the stability. Let us take the case of chromium for example. Here this can change position with this. This is one exchange, this can change with this, and this come here, this can change with this. So we have 1, 2 and 3. We have 3 exchanges, and now this can change position with this can change with position this. Then we have 2 exchanges, and last these 2 can exchange position. So we have 3 plus 2 plus 1. This is total 6 exchanges can take place. But in case of this configuration, this can change position with this electron, with this, and with this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 exchanges. Then this can change with this can change with this electron. Then we have 3 exchanges. Then this can change with this 2 exchanges. Then we have 1 exchange, and this amounts to 10. So in this configuration we have 10 exchanges, and here we can have only 6 exchanges. 10 exchanges means 10 losses of energy, and the overall energy of the system decreases. So when the system is lower, when the energy of the system is lower, the stability is more. So these are justified, these exactly filled and half filled atomic orbitals. Okay.